Right, Dringy here, and what a beautiful evening. It's now 6:30 and I'm going to cook some tea again. With this nice weather and the lacking of being able to get much food, it's much better just to cook your own. Today's going to be chicken again, chicken thighs. Fry them off for 3 minutes each side like I did last time in some oil. And then I'm going to add smoked paprika, again, onion, pepper, bell pepper, chopped tomatoes, and some basil, and some fresh basil as well, actually. And some chilli. No, it's not chilli. Garlic. Being lazy, and I've got some very lazy chopped garlic. So that's going to be it, really. Oh, and rice. Now I did bring some rice, normal white long grain rice, but I actually forgot to bring it. I put it in a bag and left the bag behind. So when I got some chicken stock, I've just boiled the kettle and I made some chicken stock out of one of these chicken stock cube gravy things, you know. I've made a cup of that and we'll see how it goes. And I'm going to put some savoury rice, Uncle Ben's, which is already cooked, but you've got to warm it through anyway, so it'll be fine. I'm just going to use it just like it would be uncooked. So I think what I'll do is just aim the camera down to the cooking area, because I kind of look like that on the last video that I done, and then I'll just talk to you and you can see what's going on down there. See you in a bit. That's done. I'm just warming the pan up. Get it nice and hot. Just going to season the chicken and turn it up the other way, so I want it both sides. I might just do 3 minutes each side, just like last time. Beat done. Right, let's set a timer. One timer. We just want to get a nice brown on that. As again, I've got the windows open, I've got the sunroof open, I've got flies coming in. Buggers. Oh, I'll tell you what, I was in Jedburgh in Scotland this morning. I loaded there and I came out from Jedburgh loaded, and I was just blessed with the most amazing views. Right, that's 3 minutes now. So I'll turn them over. Lovely. Stick a lid on it, keep it quiet. And I'm just going to try and chop an onion. Give that another minute. There we go, that's better. So we're just going to add some tomatoes. Chicken stock. Onion and peppers. I thought we had a spoon out. Garlic. Smoked paprika. Basil. And salt and pepper. Gonna give that a little stir. I did get a spoon out, it's here. There we go. And then I'm going to add my rice. Maybe a bit more rice. In fact, we'll go for the whole packet, because I shan't be using it again this week. So what don't get used will only be thrown away anyway. Right, and we'll just put the lid on and let that simmer now. Just like before, I should turn it down. We don't need it to be too high. And just let it simmer now. I'm going to stop that and reset it and then start it again for about 20 minutes, and now we could just sit back and relax. Right, here we go. That is ready. Like a little bit of juice. Oh yeah, perfect. That's taken me start to finish 26 minutes. Gonna turn it off now. Put my lid in that box down there. Off, off. And all I'm gonna do is add a little bit of parsley on the top, basil on the top. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how Dringy rolls. And that is my tea for tonight. Chicken, paprika, with tomatoes and basil and garlic. Perfect. I might eat it straight out of the pan actually. Sounds good to me. Bye for now.